G'day, I was ADV rider heading out to Enfield today. I'm tagging along with Andy and Mark on their Himalayans. It's a nice cool day. It's going to be very dry and dusty though. It's been a hot week. We haven't had rain for a long time. Yeah, Mark's on a nice new Himalayan, a water-cooled model. He's on stock tyres though. We'll see how he goes today. There shouldn't be any mud at least. I'm on the trusty old V-Strom as always. Give him my new phone mount to test out. It's got a vibration dampener on it, which is very handy. See how it handles some rough off-road. Push keeps going up. Stick to this middle. Won't have to now. Always good riding with someone who knows the area. Andy knows some good tracks out here. Ah, cool. That one's a bit big. I fit through that. Ah, easy. Yeah, sometimes it's good just tagging along with someone who knows the tracks. You don't have to think too much, just follow. Oh, hello, we just found Santos joining us on the T7. Right. Yeah, just had to sit on the Himalayan, that's quite nice. They look like such a small bike to me, but felt good. Tank's a better shape for my legs. Yeah, the CF motor, it's just got that ridge there that sticks to my legs. It's a little thing, but it's annoying. Yeah, I'd definitely look at the Himalayan if I was looking for a new bike. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the old Himalayan too. That's what Andy's on, and he gets along pretty bloody well on that thing. I've always liked the older Himalayans just because they are such a simple bike, air-cooled. Yeah, simple suspension. Oh. Going through here. How you going? Oh. Oh, yeah, that's what we come to have a look at. Oh, well. Oh, let's see if I can fit in here. Oh, I think it might be a bit big for this. Oops, didn't think to bring a torch. Oh shit, what was that? Something running around. Probably just a spider. I can see light up there. Look at that. Gotta keep your mouth shut, there's a lot of bugs in here. There's the beer can. Oh, I have to crawl up this bit. Oh. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm not going any further. Wow. Oh, I don't like that hole either.
Yeah, I went over that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, yeah.
I could crawl over it, but I think I'm done.
Yeah, fair enough. It's just more of the same. Then you've got a couple of branches going off up there.
Yeah, okay.
It's just, yeah, it's just all pretty well the same.
Yeah, right. Oh, you bastard. Oh, there's the beer can. Oh, I think I need my light back on. Oh no. There we go. Oh. Oh. Speedo's brake track. 4-wheel drive only, seasonal road closure. Awesome. Go down the first for this one. Far out, she's straight up. I'll go to second, I think we'll be right. So we just come onto West Breakdose track. Ooh. We might use that as a berm, I think. Yeah, nice. Got some big ruts up here. Nice big hill. Going up that side, are we? I'm going up the middle. It looks a bit off camber for me. There, we'll just stay in the rut. We'll crack second. Whoa. Spring Creek track, 4-wheel drive only, no through road. I don't know about the no through road bit. Yeah, it's loose gravel, pushes it around a bit. Oh fuck. Whoa. Oh mate, let's slow down for these ones. Far out. Did not see them coming. I'll give her a little squirt, open it up, and bam. Whoops everywhere. Yeah, the stock tyres on the new Himalayan, it looks like maybe 90-10, 80-20, something like that. Definitely not off-road tyres anyway. But they're going alright in the dry conditions. I think the brand Seat, C-E-A-T. I'm pretty sure the CF Moto had the same brand, but they were a more off-road tyre. They look like the Pirelli STRs, I think. Either way, I'm having trouble keeping up with those two Himalayans. Yeah, righto, I know where we are. Been on the other side of this before. Yeah, cool. Oh, we are. A little creek here. Shit, it's a bit of a drop. Ooh. We'll go across to there. Yeah, I've done that hill before, that was pretty nasty. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Oh, cool. Some old brickwork there. Oh, Oh, yeah, nice. Goes down a fair way, doesn't it? Yeah, feel that was shit. Righto, another off-road track. No idea what this one's called. Looks like it's barely dried up. Yeah, we'll take the shortcut. Trees down everywhere. Far out. Where are you taking us, Andy? Sandy just said, I've never been down here before, no idea where it goes. Guess we'll find out. Bloody hell. Oh. Oh, far out. This bit here would be the hard part. I don't know what the rest of it's like. Yeah. Yeah, the hill's not so bad. Just getting through this shit. Yeah, it's a big step there. Oh. Where would you go? Through here? Up there? There. You wouldn't want to try and get up there and go down the hole. Nah. Alright, up on my feet as quick as I can. Oh, yeah, just saying. Andy doesn't know where this track goes, doesn't know if we'll have to turn back. We got to turn back. The hill wasn't so bad, but it was a massive rut. We would have had a lot of trouble with. Bloody hell, look at this. What a mess. Oh, shouldn't have done that. Last second decision to pop the front wheel saved me. I'm not going to get around that one go. Alright, let's get moving. We go just there. Yeah, I'll wrap it up here. It's starting to get pretty dusty. We're on our way out of Enfield, going to head home. been a fantastic day out as always. Always good riding with Andy and Santos, and it was good to meet Mark today on his new Himalayan. Very impressed with that bike, it did very well. Happy with the new phone holder, it's done exactly as I wanted. The phone is still on the bike. I'm happy that I've got it tucked down there nice and neat too, so it doesn't obscure my beautiful view in front of me of the dust. Check it out, this is Field Day Hill. That's looking, that's, what's it called? Buninyong, Mount Buninyong, looking back towards Ballarat. See for miles. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. I'll stop here for a quick photo. Cool, let's go.